Bless you.
What do I do?
Video.
Am I already going?
We're at Versailles. Yeah.
Okay. Talk, man. Tell us about our trip so far.
Living like kings. Before our way through the... This might be my favorite part of the trip.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Day.
The weather's beautiful. It's sunny, but really cool. The wind is blowing. So nice.
Oh, you can take horse rides over there.
Those people may have been doing horse rides over there. Swan. Here's Ben. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? No. No.
No.
I don't want you to come over here. I'm not giving you any kisses. I'm afraid we're going to turn this boat over. There's already seaweed on our thing. We're not really good at this.
This is pretty romantic, I have to say.
It is pretty romantic. Are you feeling romantic?
I am. Glad we had just enough euros for this. No more. Just enough.
Love you.
Love you.
That's Versailles. I just got wet somehow. Ow! Hey, you're gonna get. Listen, the camera's turning this off now.